Hello dear students, today we will discuss very important chapter of class 10th. The chapter number is 8 and the name of chapter is how do we reproduce. So first of all we have need to know about the mean of reproduction here. What do you mean by reproduction, students? Reproduction means the production of new one from the older one, like we are produced from our parents na. So this is the process name is reproduction here. So reproduction is the process by which living organism produce new one, okay, similar to themselves, ensure the continuity of life on earth. What do you mean by the ensure the continuity of life on earth? Means if reproduction is not present, it is not possible to continuity of life here na, because if one organism is not be produced from the older one, and how this chain of the organisms is continue on earth, this is not possible na, because of the presence of reproduction only it occur. So this process is very necessary for our life. So after this you have a two mode of reproductions here. First one is your asexual mode of reproduction and second one is your sexual mode of reproduction, and one by one we discuss about two modes of reproductions here. First one is the asexual mode of reproduction. This is mostly present in case of lower organism, and in this case a single individual give rise to new one. Okay, so means from the body of one organism, either it is parent, female parent or the male parent. This in this case only one parent is need for the reproduction and give rise to new one. So in which case only one parent, either it is be male or female, is need for reproduction. So this mode of reproduction is known as asexual mode of reproduction. Now you have a second point. Gametes are not formed. What do you mean by gametes? Means the cell of the new one organism. So in which case gamete when gamete make, when the male and female both cell meet with each other, it make gamete. But in this case you all know na, only one parent is needed. So in this case no gamete need to be make. So in case of asexual reproduction, gametes are not formed. Now third point, the new individual is identical to their parents. How they are identical? Means they are completely same to their parents. You all see many varieties of insects here in your surrounding na. You all see कि these all the insects they are be same from each other, means it is not be easily identify कि this is the parents and this is the child. All one see similar to each other, identical to each other. And how they are identical? Because in this case only organism only make with only one parents, either it is male or female. So how variations come and how they are be different from each other? It is not be possible because the new one is be made from only one parents na. So this is completely identical to their parents. So it is extremely useful as a mean of rapid multiplication. Okay, so means this in this case of asexual reproduction, the organism reproduction is very high speed. Means in like in our body na, if new one is born it take 9 months, and only one or two or more only four new one is be made from with the help of a sexual mode of reproduction. But in this case the reproduction method is very rapid multiplication. Means you all know na, from only one insect many number of insects made by in one time na. So this is adopted by only lower organism. So asexual reproduction adopted by only lower organism. So after this you have a second mode of reproduction. The mode of reproduction name is sexual mode of reproduction, and this sexual mode of reproduction in which two parents male also and female also. One male or one female are need to give rise to new one. So in which case both the parents are needed, male as well as female, to production of new one. So this mode of reproduction is known as sexual mode of reproduction. Now second point, in which case of sexual mode of reproduction gametes are formed, because when the male cell is be mixed with female cell, it make gametes. So gametes are always formed in case of sexual mode of reproduction. Now the third one, the new one, is genetically similar but but not identical to their parents. For example, we are not be identical to our parents na. There is some changes present in us and in our parents. So in this case variations occur, because if variations is not present in ours, then it is not possible to be distinguish one person from the another person. So variations play a very important role in our life. If variations is not present, then it is not be easy to be distinguish one person from the another person. So that this is very important point कि in case of sexual mode of reproduction, what come? Variations come. And this mode of reproduction is adopted by higher organism. This is not be present in case of lower organisms, because for this reproduction both the parents are need. And in this case multiplication of the cells is in high amount. First cell make, then tissue make, from tissue organ make, organ to organ system, and then full organism make. So this mode of reproduction take more time. Now we classified the first one, asexual mode of reproduction. Here this is be present in lower organism, and there are four main type of asexual mode of reproduction which we discussed today. First one is your fission. What do you mean by fission? Division. Means what division? Means the cell division, in which case parent cell divided into daughter cell. What do you mean by daughter cell here? It's not a daughter cell, means this is the daughter, means here this is new cell, means one parent cell is be divided into new cell, and on the base ki number of division, means from one cell two cell make and more than two cell make. On that base these fissions are of two main types, the binary fission and the multiple fission. What do you mean by binary? Means in which case two cells are made from the parent cell, means one body. Like this is the body of amoeba. Here you just see that example. First the elongation of the nucleus occur here, cytoplasm present in all sides of the body, and the cell membrane or cell membrane also present in outer side of the amoeba. So when this is be elongate and it is be divided into two main parts, and when this is be divide, nucleus is divide, it is be further divided into two new body, means from one parent body, parent cell, this cell is be divided into two new cells. So this is the example of binary. Why? Because the binary means two. So in this case, which case we see this type of fission? Amoeba, protozoa, and here we discuss about the example of amoeba. Now multiple fission. In this fission, the division, in this fission the parent's body divided into many cells, because the name shown here na ki multiple, means the parent body, parent cell is be divided into more than one, two or more, two cells. So division into a many cell in case of multiple fission. Example plasmodium. Plasmodium is the example of multiple fission. Now the second type of asexual mode of reproduction is fragmentation. What do you mean by fragmentation here? Means in which case the body, one body is be break up into smaller pieces. One body is be break up of smaller pieces upon maturation, means when it is able to be divide only na, break only when it is mature, then it is be divided into, break up into smaller pieces. So this is known as fragmentation, and this fragmentation present in case of Spirogyra. Here, this is the parent's body. When it is be elongate, it is be divided into two equal parts. Means if the body length is 6 centimeter, na, it is be divided into two pieces 3 centimeter each. So this is the mean of fragmentation. So here see कि this in case of Spirogyra, one body is be divided into two new body. Okay. Now the third one, what do you mean by regeneration? Means regeneration means anything is be re means again. G means generate, means when the any part of our body is regenerate again, means that is become again, in which case which type of reproduction here, the regeneration present. In case of higher organism, means in case of our body, who one have a capability of regenerate, only our liver organ or liver gland present in our body have a capability of regeneration. But here we discuss about the lower organism, na, in which case of lower organism only planaria body have a capability to be regenerate from any part of the body of planaria, either it is be head part, trunk part, and the neck part. So any part of the planaria body is be broken into many pieces, and this species is be grown into a complete organism, means from which part it is be cut, this part again regenerate from the body of planaria. So this is very important, the type of the asexual mode of reproduction. Now budding, all of you see about the budding in case of plant, na, like in case of potato, birds come and this birds is be used as a seed to grow other crops. So like this, but here we discuss about the organism, lower organism. In case of hydra body, hydra have a capability to be regenerate with the help of bud formed in the body of hydra. This bud which develop into a tiny invisible, and now when it this bud is be mature, it separate from the parent's body upon maturation, and it form a new one. So this is the mode of asexual reproduction due to the buds form in the body of hydra. So this reproduction is known as budding. So here in this today video we discuss about four main types of the sexual mode of reproduction, and the mean of sexual and the sexual mode of reproduction, and from starting we discuss about the definition of reproduction here. So here in this video we complete three main concepts: the definition of reproduction, the difference between sexual and asexual mode of reproduction, and the third one is the type of asexual mode of reproduction in case of lower organism. Thank you so much.